Jill here with Wild Idea Buffalo Company, and we are back for how to cook bison. Today we're going to create a recipe using our buffalo shanks. The shank cut is from the back hind leg. They're just gorgeous steaks. They have the marrow bone in the center, and it is going to add a real richness to this dish. But the sauce that we're going to be braising the shank steaks in is made with white wine and lemon, and the two flavors, the richness of the meat and the marrow, is going to merge with that lemon white wine sauce, and it's just going to create an amazing flavor. Let's get right to it, and I'll show you what I mean. So to start with, we're going to lightly bread these with a little seasoned flour. If you are gluten sensitive, just omit the flour, but use the herbs. So I have a 1/3 cup flour here. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of thyme. I'm going to mix that all up. And then we're just going to lightly flour these on both sides. And that just helps brown them up really nicely in the pan. Your package of shank steaks, you're going to get 4 steaks per package. It's about 3.5 pounds. They may not be all the same size and shape, but not to worry, everyone is going to get plenty to eat. I have tied them, I'm sure you can see this, with a little bit of butcher string, and that is because as they braise, they're going to get very tender, kind of fall apart tender. And so if you want to keep them as a whole steak, I recommend using the twine. If you don't mind them falling apart, because as you can see, some of these steaks are quite large and could easily feed a couple of people, then the twine isn't necessary. It's, whatever you'd like. All right, I think we're all set to go here. We are going to turn around here, get our stove on, and brown these up. Okay, we have our pan on about medium high to high, and we're going to go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. That looks about right. And 1.5 tablespoons of butter. We're going to go ahead and just nestle these right into the pan and let them brown up. About 3 minutes on each side should do the trick. Beautiful. That's what you're looking for right there. And we'll let them go for another 3 minutes on this side. All right, they're looking just great. Let's go ahead and get them out of the pan. Beautiful. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add another tablespoon or so of olive oil to the pan, and a little more butter as well. About a tablespoon of that. And add 1 onion. It's about 2 cups of chopped up onion. And we're going to let that saute until it's slightly brown, about 7 minutes. Great. Let's go ahead. We're going to add 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms. Stir those right in. And about 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Now we're going to add my favorite ingredient, wine, a bottle of white wine. I've chosen a Chardonnay, but any white wine would be just fine. As long as you like it and you can drink it, it's all right. We're also going to add the zest and juice of 1 lemon. And 1 more teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of pepper. And we're going to let this get all bubbly. Turn my heat up to high there. And then we're going to also add about 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. I've got some extra here, but we'll add that right at the very end for a garnish. We'll let that come to a full boil, and then we'll bring our shank steaks back to the sauce and get it in the oven. All right, our 2 hours are up. Let's go ahead and pull the shanks out of the oven and see what we have. All right. Oh yeah, looks just great. Let's go ahead and add this to our platter. I prepared some asparagus and some goat cheese risotto. Absolutely fabulous with the Osso Buco. Now the sauce in the pan, we're just gonna go ahead and thicken that really quick with a little bit of cornstarch white wine slurry. All right, let's give it a taste. It's our job, we have to do it. A little bit of that sauce and risotto. It's so good. I know I tell you everything is so good all the time, but you should know that I take my food very seriously, and I promise you, you are going to love this dish. So thank you so much for watching. This is Wild Idea Buffalo Company, Osso Buco, 100% grass-fed, grass-finished. You're gonna love the sustainability of it, you're gonna love the flavor and love the taste. And I thank you so much for joining me, and cheers, thank you.